just finished a shoot, right? And I thought about giving y'all some tips on how you can make money when you travel as a photographer. So here are 3 tips on how you can make money as a photographer when you travel, and everybody can do it. Tip number 1 is if you're traveling, reach out to some family and friends. It definitely doesn't hurt to reach out to some friends and just peg their interest. Hey, I'm coming in. Would you like to shoot? You might have something cool, a cool area you want to shoot at, and that you tell them, hey, I'm doing a little mini special or something, or just a full shoot. It just depends on you. So you'd be surprised how many people are receptive when you come out, you travel somewhere, and you just hit them up and like, hey, all they can do is tell you no. So tip number 2 is ads. Simple. Like, people don't think about it. Like, you can jump in message boards, Facebook ads, Google ads, you know, social media ads, Instagram ads. You just come up with something like your date or slots and times, location, set it for that specific location, and let the magic work, you know. Like I said, you can pay $10 for an ad or less, and if you get 1 booking, you probably already got your return on investment. Well, at least I would hope so. But just simple stuff like that, you know. And the whole goal is you're not really trying to be booked the whole time that you travel. You're just trying to get a little extra spending money, or get a reimbursement, or just to get a little bit more exposure with different people. All right, so this is the 3rd thing, and that is to get creative, think outside the box. So I did a personal social experiment. So, you know, me being a single person, what I did is I took to Tinder. I went to Tinder, paid for like whatever little extra thing they do to allow you to shift your location. And I was very specific in my bio that I was only on here to book shoots for a certain date and time, a certain location, photos of me working and photos of me with my camera, and went to town swiping, and I had very much success for it. You know, even from the opening message like, hey, how you doing today? You know, I hope, I don't know if you read my bio, and I'm only here to book shoots, so whether you need photos for your Tinder profile, your dating profile, if you just need general, if you've never done a photo shoot or portrait before, here's my information, as in my website, my Instagram. Let's have a conversation. Let me see how best I can serve you. And I got a great response from that, so I probably will do that again. Just being in a place where, you know, if you don't know anybody, in that sense, and as long as you're being, you know, I don't see a problem with it as long as you're being straightforward and upfront. It's not like you're trying to lead somebody on in that sense. You know, thank you. If you made it to this end of the video, go ahead and give it a like right now. Subscribe if you haven't to, share, and let me know in the comments any creative ways that you thought of or you've done to make money as a traveling photographer. And until next time, peace.